basically what we're seeing here is you got a scan tool that this is like a cursor right here, and this is enter, and this is exit. That's all the buttons that you see. Okay? So if you want to go to the right, you press to the right of this circle. If you want to go to the left, you press the red to this circle. If you're going down, you go down. Up, same thing. Okay? So we want to go on scan diagnostics. Okay? And press enter. Highlight the scan diagnostic. Press enter. Now it'll come up to U.S. domestic, U.S. 2008, Asian, okay, ABS, airbag, global OBD2. Where should I go, Asian or domestic on this one?
Asian.
Domestic, Honda?
No, Asian.
Asian. Okay, go to Asian, press enter, okay, then it'll bring up all the Asian makes, okay. I'm going to go down to Honda and press enter again. System loading, that's 3.0 is the version of it, okay?
It's ready.
Okay, it's ready. Now what it's going to say, either you go by the VIN number.
Of the year.
Good thing about this is you don't have to worry about the VIN number on this, okay? So now I need to go to, this one is, I need to select 90 to 99 model. Press enter, it'll bring it down, narrow it down to the year. Go down to 98. Is it an Acura or a Honda?
Honda.
Honda. Select Honda. Car, truck, or minivan?
Car.
Car. Accord, Civic, or Prelude?
Accord.
Okay, Accord. Base or V6? Is it a 4-cylinder or a V6?
4-cylinder.
4-cylinder. That you'll have to know. Okay. Base. Do I want to go in engine PCM, global OBD2, transmission module, ABS, or airbag? I need to go in either PCM or global OBD2. Either one will work. Global OBD2 is basically, cars that you get from China or, the oddballs, but still have OBD2 system in them. Okay? You don't have an option of, like I said, the European ones are locked down, but you can go through global OBD2. You can still scan the European models. It won't give you all the information, but you'll have the information that you'll need. Okay? Emission-related information will be there. Okay? Any emission-related problem will eventually affect the drivability of the car. So, if you can find those codes, you're good to go. Okay? So now, let's go to Global OBD2. Press enter. It'll bring you to the screen. It'll say, get this cable and hook it up. Cable's already hooked up. We never take the cable off on our scanners. Press enter again. Turn ignition key on. It's already on. Okay? So, press OK here. These buttons right here, I said there's only 3 buttons, but there's more than that. Sorry, I overlooked it. These buttons are just the selections. Okay, after you do that, quick test results.
They're ready.
Readiness test mode 1. Comprehensive test is ready. Fuel system is ready. Misfire monitor is ready. Okay, oxygen sensor is ready. How does it know if the oxygen sensor is ready? ECT, engine coolant temp sensor. It checks the engine coolant temp sensor. If it's above so many degrees, it knows the O2 sensor is kicked in. Okay, initially. Okay, it's going to check it again when the engine's running. Okay, and O2 heater is ready because what this does, it sends a signal to the O2 heater, sees if something comes back. If something comes back, there's not a break in the heater. Heater's still working. Okay? Catalytic converter is ready because, again, by the temperature, it detects that it's ready. Assumes it's ready. Okay?
Evaporating system.
EGR is ready. Exhaust gas recirculation. We'll talk about what EGR is. Secondary air system, not available. This one doesn't have an air pump. So, I'm going to say enter. Now it came to all system DTCs. I'm going to do all system DTCs because I want to find out what all codes that are on PCM. I know one of the codes that's going to have is for the low catalytic converter efficiency. Okay? We'll see if that's still there or anything else. So basically if I want to do just data stream, I go down to data stream and highlight it and press enter. I'm not going to go there. I'm going to scan the codes. You have to write down the codes. You get points for doing just this. Just scanning the codes, you get points. So I would do it every time you hook up the scan tool. Not on the same car 10 times in the same night. Okay? That wouldn't make any sense, right? So it's processing OEM DTCs right now.
So, if you hook up the car more than once and it's pulling different codes, you count that, right?
If you have different problems every time you hook it up, yeah. But if you,
Yeah, but I understand what you're saying.
yeah. But you know, it doesn't help to just write down the same codes every time you hook it up. You're just wasting time. As long as you got new codes, I'll give you some credit for it. Okay? All right, let's go. See, number one code is P0420. Okay? Catalytic system efficiency below threshold, bank 1. What does that mean, bank 1? I understand everything but bank 1.
Driver side, passenger side.
Driver side, passenger side. Well, this one just only has 4 cylinders. Okay?
So it's only gonna have one
It's
bank.
only going to have bank 1. It doesn't have bank 2 because it's not a V6 type motor. If it had V6, okay, driver side is bank 1, passenger side is bank 2. Okay? Because V6 has 2 sets of cylinders on both, 3 on one side, 3 on the other, same as V8 or a flat 4, same thing. Okay? Those have bank 1 and bank 2. Okay, any other codes? You can go down and check. This car runs perfectly fine. But how come I have a code and I have a check engine light on, this car still runs perfectly fine? Catalytic converter? Go ahead, tell me. Uh-huh. Still run fine, right? It's only for emissions. It's only to monitor what gases are coming out of the tailpipe.